Welcome, I'm Dr. Faraq, and in this video I show you how to model a fluidized bed in Aspen Plus. A fluidized bed is a system where solid particles are suspended and behave like a fluid due to upward flow of gas or liquid. This flow pushes the particle upward, creating fluid-like behavior that enhance mixing, heat transfer, and mass transfer. Fluidized beds are commonly used in processes like chemical reaction and heat transfer. It is our model. We have two streams, solid stream, and also we have a gas flow. So the gas flow insert the system in this section and the exit from this section. Also we have a charged solid and discharged solid from here. For the simulation, our model, let's move to Aspen Plus. For the start the simulation, click on New Simulation. In the component section, we need to define our component. So we have Fe2O3 for the solid flow. Okay, it is solid. Okay, so we change it to solid. We have air for gas flow, so we select that. Click on next. The base method is solids because we have solid flow. So for the thermodynamic equation or model, we use solids. Okay, click on next. So we select go to simulation environment. Let's mount to solid, select fluidized bed. Okay, now we define the materials. Okay, the exit gas flow and also the exit solid flow. We can change the name here. Okay, its name S, its name is G, GO, and also SO. Okay, because we have a different material here that the commercial, so we need to define the new stream class. So for this, let's mount setup stream class, and we change the stream class to mixcip SD. Okay, so now let's mount to solids PSD. We need to define the particle distribution. We use equidistance, lower limit 10 micron, and upper limit is 250. Okay, create PSD. You see that. So we increase the interval to 15 and create PSD mesh again. Okay, now let's mount to Flowsheet. Okay, to Flowsheet, we define the stream for S. So double click CI solid. Okay, the temperature is 400 degrees C. The pressure is 20 bars. Okay, we change the composition, we change to mass flow. Okay, here we need to define the mass flow of the solid. Okay, its mass flow is 1000 kilogram per hours. Okay, so click on particle size distribution. The distribution function we use, the type is GGS. The dispersion parameters 5, maximum diameter 250. Okay, change to micron. Okay, and calculate. Okay, this is our particle distribution. Now back to Flowsheet, double click on gas stream. Here we have only air, so the temperature is again 400 degrees C. The pressure is 20 bar. Change to mass flow, and the mass flow of the air is 1000 kilogram per hour. Okay, now double click on fluidized bed. For the specified bed mass, we initially gas a low value, for example 4 kilograms, and later we can change it. Okay, for the minimum fluidization velocity, we use calculate from the correlation when. Okay, and also we do not change this option. Okay, so let's mount to operation. It's okay. Click on geometry. The height of the fluidized bed is 5 meters. The solid discharge location 0.1 from the bottom. Okay, the diameter of our system is 1 meters. Okay, let's mount to gas distributor. The number of orifices that we have 20, and the type is perforated. Okay, the orifice diameters we have 5 millimeters, so we change to millimeters. Okay, here. So now click on run. Click on OK. Click on B1. As you see that we initially defined the solid hold of 4 kilograms, so the best value or the best solution here, the Aspen Plus say it's better to use this value, so we copy that back to Flowsheet, double click on Fluidized, and specification. Here we use this value for a bad math. Okay, now run again. Okay, now our simulation has been completed and we don't have any error or warning. Now we check the result. Right click on Fluidized, click on result, click on profile. So here we have different results for our system. For example, we want to check the pressure. Here you see that the pressure decreased as the height of the system increased because the solid volume fraction decreased as the height of the system increased. Now we want to check the solid volume fraction, so back to result, click on solid volume fraction. Okay, here you see that the solid volume fraction decreased as the system height increased because the solid particle will be fluidized due to gas flow. Okay, now we want to check another parameters or another result. So we check superficial velocity. Here you see that the velocity increase as the height of the system increase because the solid volume fraction decrease as the height of the system increase. Okay, you see that it's a velocity profile. You can also check another result, for example, particle size distribution. Okay, here you see that the particle size distribution. You can back to result and check another result that available here. And also you can check the result custom. For example, you want to check the pressure as function of solid volume fraction. Okay, here you see that. Also you can change the properties of figure. For example, the format here you can use only line or marker, and also line marker you can change the marker. Okay, and another format then you can use custom and everything you want.